Hello, all of my crafty friends. I am here today with another haul. I just could not resist the new honeybee. But I have to start out with some rabbit hole designs. So, thanks to my friend Amanda, I purchased oh, I don't even know what this is called, but it's a rabbit hole designs uh die, and then the brick vortex die by Art Gone Wild. These are a couple things that I picked up from the not too shabby shop, and they came while I was getting my honeybee stamps, so I decided to show you guys this too. This is called the Buggy for Caffeine set. I just thought this was so cute with all the cards that I've seen with this set. And I'm not usually a huge fan of these sets, but the Don't Bug Me, I haven't had my coffee yet. Like, that just really did it for me. And these hashtags, I will work for caffeine or dead before caffeine, like they were just so funny. And then I had been looking at this one as well. This is the Caffeinated Terrier. Such cute cards that I've been seeing made with these card sets. So I just had to pick up a couple of these. That one is so cute. And like I said, I never would have even thought about it before, but I absolutely loved it. And then this one I had been looking at for a little while, and it's a Gertrude Steiner called Muffin Compares, and I really thought it was just the cutest thing, so I had to pick that up. Now, honeybee. Oh, I love me some honeybee. And this new release was absolutely amazing, guys. Like, absolutely amazing. So I just had to share, I had to show you guys what all I was able to pick up, and kind of go through this with you guys. So first of all, this was the free gift that came along with it, that honeybee and the unbelievable, and it has the die that goes along with it. So first things first, let's open up and look at some of these amazing sequin mixes. Now, let me tell you guys, these sequin mixes are much larger than the ones that I'm used to. This one is called the Succulent Garden, and they're so cute. I love the vibrant green, and the vintage lace is so pretty. Like, they fill up two of my containers. And then I have this one that's called Warm Honey, and it has like these hexagons and these little swirly pieces. It's just really cute. And you guys know I love my shakers. I love my shakers. I love my shakers. Now, this one is called Nubian Sparkle, and that one is, I know you guys are going to get tired of me saying these are amazing, but they are so pretty. Like, I love the colors in this. It just reminds you of like its name. This Do Not Worry is my favorite. Like, these little cute donuts, like, get out of here. Like, these things are so stinking adorable. I cannot wait to make a card with it. And then the last one that I got was the Black Opal, which is also, you know, that's my purples and teals and greens and blues. Just great. So then I got a couple of paper packs. I got the Harvest Festival because these colors just said hello, and then those feathers, like, I just fell in love with the feathers, and nothing after that mattered. Although the rest of the paper pack is pretty amazing, I had to have this paper pack. And this is, I believe, my first time purchasing any of the honeybee paper packs, but it will not be the last time. It will not be the last time. Like, these are so nice. Like, I love the patterns on them. It's just so everything. Like, I just love honeybee. Like, you guys know how I feel about honeybee. Like, I love them. And you know, I was trying not to purchase everything in this release, but I think I pretty much did. And so this one is a really nice one. I love that old paper, old wood look. Very, very nice. And the fact that it comes with two, so I don't have to fight with myself over what side of the paper I'm going to use. This night sky, that is so pretty. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I don't know whether I'm going to hold it and hug it or whether I'm going to use it. You guys help me. I'm going to need an intervention. These papers are so super cute. So you guys know that whenever I'm doing a haul, that means that I'm going to give you something or give you a chance to win something, because I don't like doing hauls without sharing. So sharing is caring. Stay tuned till the end and let's talk about it. All right, so this one is called Log Cabin. And I know that from the name of it, you would think that it was just all wood. And it does have a lot of wood themed things in it. But it has so many pretty papers that reminds me of sparkles and Christmas and winter and sweaters. It just has everything. To include the wood. You know, the wood was great too. But this paper, like, look at these snowflakes. Look at, oh, that's going to make a beautiful scene. That's going to make a beautiful scene. I see deers, you know. And then this is very pretty. It just reminds me of a winter snow scene is really what I see when I look at this paper. And this is pretty muted, but it's very nice. I thought these papers were absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I'm just sitting here looking at them again and I'm in awe all over again. I love this chevron. And then this one, I was thinking I could color that. And then these falling snowflakes. Like, this paper was just so, so cute. Like, and this one, the shattered pink, like that one really, that got my attention. That sparked my curiosity. So then the last paper pack, I only got one other paper pack, and that one was called the Bee's Knees. And I love the way these blues and yellows look together. So, you know, I just had to get it. And again, double-sided and two of each. I am in love. Because usually I get all my pattern paper from my card kits, unless I'm buying my 12 by 12 pattern paper, which I usually get from Cricut because I'm in love with their pattern paper as well. But this is A1. I was very, very happy with this. I love that boho, is that what it's called? Boho theme? Like those dots that look like they're just all smashed together. This blue and yellow is like that navy and yellow with a little hint of that blue green, like really just, I love it. So let me get off of the the paper thing because I'm just having way too much fun. Now let's move on to the dies. So they came out with some pretty awesome die sets this time, and one of the die sets they came out with was this polygon die, and it cuts out like a ton of different polygons. I also got the Kiss and Kisses stamp set. Yes, I went back to the last release and got a couple things that I didn't get then. And then I got the Party stamp set. I got the Friend stamp set. I love how they have all the things that you can build. And I always pull for my honeybee sentiments when I want to stamp a sentiment, because they do a great job of giving you so many words that you can just create your own sentiment. Like, it caters to what you want. So I am very happy with that one. I got the birthday because this was all about Honeybee's 5th birthday. Birthday wishes, happiest birthday to you, birthday boy, birthday girl, all of that stuff. And their dies, like, I'm falling in love with these 3-layered dies. This is the Friend die. And then I also got the Heart die. So now I had to get, Father's Day is coming up, my husband's birthday is coming up, and our anniversary is coming up. So I needed a couple things. I had never gotten these cards, and I kept eyeing them. And these are called the Car Show. And then I needed these, the music set. And this music set is called Music Speaks. And then for my teenager who loves music, I needed Good Mix. All of my kids are very, very musically inclined. They love music. That is their thing. So I've got that as well. And I thought that those would be great to just add to my collection. So as you can see, I just kind of went hog wild. And then they had the A7. You guys know I make a lot of 5x7s, so they had the A7 thin frames, and then the little astronauts. They were so cute. It's called Far Out Friends. So I cannot wait. You will definitely be seeing this stamp set very soon. Let me just tell you, really, really soon you'll be seeing this set. So I really, really thought that was cute. So yes, I have purchased multiple packages. Again, I had to go back and I had to get the cover plate die. This is the Fluttering Hearts cover plate die that I did not get. And I also got the candle cover plate die while I was there. This is my A2 thin frames. And then I got the stitching to go with the Fluttering Hearts cover plate die set. So I've got both of those. I love how they create those to go together. So that is the stitching that will go with the Fluttering Hearts. Then I got the birthday die. Again, this is that die trio that has the stitching with the big shadow and then another shadow and then the word. Then I got the Kiss and Kisses that does the same thing. Like their dies are my favorite. And then this is Party. And I don't buy a lot of dies because just because I have my Cricut. And then the baby stuff. Like I have a friend who's pregnant and I'm just going to spoil her with all of the things. This is called Farm Fresh Flowers, which is another set that they had. I got the circle thin frames. These create huge circles. Like I'm sure they will go for my A7 and A2. This is the stained glass stencil. Then I got the birthday candles. This is a 3-piece stencil set. I got the In Gears stencil set. This is a 2-piece stencil set. I'm loving these layering stencils. And then I got Sheet Music, which is an older one. I just thought that it would go well with the one that I had, with the stamp sets that I had purchased for the males in my family. So this came with 4 different stencils that can be used for a myriad of things, but they all come together, and I'm sure that there's a way to layer them, so we're going to have to play with that. You guys are going to be seeing a lot of Honeybee because I'm telling you, like, I was so in love with this. This one is called the Woodland Babies. I thought this was so cute. And you guys, I thought that bottom one was an otter, but it's not. Like, that was the whole purpose of purchasing this one. I thought it was an otter, and my friend really loves otters. I might have to cut the tail off and make it an otter, but it's okay. So now we've got the square thin frames. I can't wait to see what I can make with that. That's going to be amazing. So then I purchased the baby stamp set. And I got the Be Mine bee. I just love their honeybees. Like, they're so cute and chunky. And then I got the baby bees. Oh my goodness. It is so cute. And then I got the baby die set. I got the flower cover plate, the stitched, and the second one that goes with it. So these cover plates go together. I got the buffalo plaid stencil, which I usually don't do buffalo plaid, but I decided to give it a chance. We're going to see what we can make with it, and I'll let you guys know. Like, this is literally the first buffalo plaid thing that I have purchased. I know that is like probably blasphemy to some people because of all the Ray Dunn stuff, but I just had never really gotten into it. But it will line up and make an awesome stencil, and I could probably use it for other things as well. So this is the flower builder stencil. It comes with 2 pieces. And then these are those cute little robots. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're called Build a Bot. We're going to have to build a bot, you guys. So that is really cute. I thought that one was amazing. And we got the buffalo plaid background stamp. So I got the stencil and the background stamp. So we're going to have to see what we're going to do with that. So I think I got a ton of stuff, guys. So what I am going to do is this flower builder stencil, which comes with 2 stencils, as well as the unbelievable. So this flower sorry, words are hard and I'm getting tongue twisted. This flower builder stencil, I'm going to go ahead and take this out for you for a second, and it comes with the centers as well as the flower. And then I have the unbelievable stamp set. This is the one that says unbelievably generous, sweet, kind you are, and the die set that comes with the bead, the flower, and the die for the unbelievable. This is what I will be giving away, so please make sure you comment and subscribe, and I will have the information in the description box below. All right, you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you again real soon. Bye bye.